Want warmer water without a huge energy bill? Our video to the best solar pool covers explains how bubble thickness, color, and fit reduce heat loss and evaporation by up to 70% while keeping debris out. We'll compare round versus rectangular cuts, real compatibility, ultraviolet resistance, and winter durability. You'll also learn sizing tips and maintenance habits that extend lifespan. Choose a cover that heats faster, saves chemicals and water, and keeps swim season longer too. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Sun2 Solar Blue Round Pool Solar Cover. If you want warmer water, lower costs, and less pool upkeep, the Sun2 Solar Blue Round Pool Solar Cover makes every swim more comfortable. You tap free solar energy. Thousands of resin bubbles capture sunlight to raise water temperature by up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit under good conditions, so you can start the season earlier and stay in longer. You also hold on to that heat after sunset. By trapping warmth at the surface, the cover helps maintain a steadier overnight temperature, so mornings feel less chilly and your heater, if you use one, doesn't need to work as hard. You'll conserve water and chemicals too. By reducing evaporation by up to 95%, the cover helps keep water level and sanitizer concentrations more stable, which means fewer top-offs and less frequent rebalancing. Daily maintenance gets easier. Acting as a barrier against leaves and wind-blown debris, the cover keeps the water clearer, cutting down on skimming and vacuuming between swims. Installation is straightforward. The durable design includes extra overlap to simplify placement and removal on above-ground or in-ground round pools, and it trims or fits around ladders and other protrusions with minimal hassle. For best performance, lay it bubble side down to maximize heat transfer and retention. If you value a warmer pool, reduced operating costs, and less day-to-day cleaning, this Sun2 solar cover delivers reliable sun-powered performance all season. At number 4, VEVOR Solar Pool Cover. If you want warmer water, lower heating costs, and less pool upkeep, the VEVOR Solar Pool Cover makes every swim season easier. Sized for 32 feet by 16 feet rectangular pools, this 16 mil polyethylene blanket uses thousands of tiny bubbles to capture daytime sun and cut nighttime heat loss, raising water temperature by roughly 8 to 15 degrees Celsius, depending on conditions. You'll conserve resources too. By reducing evaporation by up to 95%, the cover helps maintain water level and sanitizer strength, so you top off and rebalance less often. That means fewer interruptions between swims and real savings on water and chemicals. You also spend less time cleaning. Laid across the surface, the cover acts as a barrier against leaves, dust, and wind-blown debris, keeping the water clearer and trimming routine maintenance. Durability is built in for season after season use. The thick 16 mil polyethylene construction resists ultraviolet exposure, stretching and tearing, so it won't fade or warp easily under intense sun. It's suitable for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Daily use stays straightforward. Place the cover bubble side down for maximum heat transfer and insulation, smooth out air pockets, and let it work while the pool is idle. Roll or fold it away when it's time to swim, then redeploy to lock in heat and curb evaporation. If you value a longer swimming season, tangible savings, and a cleaner pool with minimal effort, this VEVOR Solar Blanket delivers reliable heat retention and easier maintenance, powered by the sun. Number 3, we have the BlueWave Solar Pool Cover. If you want a warmer, cleaner pool with less upkeep, the BlueWave Solar Pool Cover makes it easy to stretch your swim season. Sized for 32 feet by 16 feet, rectangular in-ground pools, this 12 mil solar blanket traps and holds the sun's heat, raising water temperature by up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit under good conditions and helping it stay comfortable overnight and on cooler days. You'll save on water and chemicals too. By reducing evaporation by up to 95%, the cover helps maintain water level and sanitizer strength, so you refill and rebalance less often. That means fewer interruptions between swims and lower ongoing costs. You also spend less time skimming. The cover acts as a barrier against leaves, bugs, and wind-blown debris, keeping the water clearer and your maintenance routine lighter. Durability is built in. The heavy-duty, fade-resistant polymer stands up to strong sun and pool chemistry, season after season. Need a tighter seal? Trim it to fit without compromising performance for edge-to-edge coverage. Setup is straightforward. Lay the blanket bubble side down on the water's surface for maximum heat transfer and retention, smooth out air pockets, and you're done. Roll or fold it away when it's swim time, then redeploy to lock in heat and curb evaporation. If you value a warmer pool, lower utility and chemical use, and less day-to-day cleaning, this Blue Wave solar cover delivers reliable heat retention and easier maintenance, all with the power of the sun. At number 2, BigXwell Solar Pool Cover. If you want warmer water, lower upkeep, and an easy fit for your pool, the BigXwell Solar Pool Cover makes every swim more comfortable. The 16-meal design uses thousands of thermal bubbles to capture sunlight and transfer heat to your water, helping raise temperatures on bright days and hold them on cloudy afternoons or cool nights. You'll keep more of what you already paid for. By reducing evaporation by up to 95%, this cover helps maintain water level and sanitizer strength, so you refill and rebalance less often. That means fewer interruptions between swims and fewer trips to the store for chemicals. You also get a cover that fits your pool, not the other way around. The durable polyethylene sheet trims easily with scissors to match in-ground or above-ground pools of almost any shape. Lay it bubble side down for best heat retention, and smooth out air gaps for edge-to-edge coverage. Daily handling is simple. The lightweight build makes it easy to put on and pull off, and the resilient material is made to stand up to sun, splash, and shifting weather without giving up early. If you value faster warm-ups, real savings on water and chemicals, and a cut-to-fit cover that's easy to use, this BigXwell solar blanket helps you stretch the season and enjoy a consistently warmer pool without adding equipment or complexity. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Tontain Solar Pool Cover. If you want warmer water, lower bills, and less pool maintenance, the Tontain Solar Pool Cover makes every swim season easier. The 16 by 32 feet rectangular cover uses a patented 16mm quadruple bubble design that captures and holds more solar heat, helping your above-ground or in-ground pool warm up faster and stay comfortable longer. You'll save water and chemicals too, by reducing evaporation by up to 95%. This solar blanket helps maintain water level and sanitizer strength, meaning fewer top-offs, fewer chemical adjustments, and more time in the water. You also get a cleaner fit with less hassle. Trim the cover to your pool's exact shape, rectangular or round, for edge-to-edge coverage and better heat retention. Installation is straightforward. Lay it bubble side down on the water's surface, smooth out air pockets, and you're done. Durability is built in for season after season performance. Ultraviolet-resistant materials stand up to intense sun, splashing and changing weather without breaking down, while the reinforced PVC edge helps prevent tearing during handling. Daily use is simple. Deploy the cover whenever the pool is idle to retain heat and curb evaporation, roll or fold it away when it's swim time. If you value faster warm-ups, real savings on water and chemicals, and a tough cover that's easy to size and secure, Tontain's Solar Pool Cover delivers a warmer, more efficient pool without complicated equipment. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which solar pool cover you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.